Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour and choose OK. Now you need to click on label and label your alarm however you wish to. Click on OK over here, then tap on Vibrate under the switcher to enable all disable vibrations. Click on Repeat over here and select days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Fridays only. Then click on Default over here and tap on Add New. Now you can pick song from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back. I don't have any, so I have to click on one of those. Set up the best one for me, like that one, and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, you can do that by clicking on this switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you can do that by clicking this bin icon under the label. And now it's gone. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can always do that by choosing those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on settings and adjusting all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!